Hi, it's Rashida J from daredreamertv, and today we're talking about taxes and how you can reduce your stress during tax season. It is that time of year, and you're probably trying to get everything together for taxes, and it's overwhelming. It's like, oh, I hate tax season. And part of the reason you hate tax season is because it's stressful. And part of the reason it's stressful is because you're not organized, right? I mean, let's just keep it real. So tax season is a lot less stressful if you have your stuff together. It just is. I mean, it really just is. So I have some tips to help you stay organized so that tax season will be less stressful. Now, these are tips you have to implement today so that your next tax season will be less stressful. Because, well, 2015 is done. So what you did in 2015, it cannot be undone. But what you can do is for 2016, make it more organized. So that way, when you do tax season at the end of this year, it's ready to go. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is set up a separate business checking account. To me, I know it can seem kind of like, of course, but a lot of people don't do that. And I think they don't do it for two reasons. One, I think it's convenience. It's just convenient to have everything in one place, one card, one this, one everything. It's just convenient for people. And two, people may not want to pay for another checking account. Now, I did a great video on 3 free business checking accounts. Totally free. Check it out. The link will be at the top of the screen in the card. Great. So check it out and see 3 free business checking accounts that you can have. But you want to separate your business checking. This makes it so much easier because everything is flowing through your account as business. It's all in one area. You don't have to go and separate it. You don't have to figure out what's personal, what's business. And really, you don't need to be mixing your business and personal accounts. It's not what it shouldn't be done. So don't do it. So set up your separate business checking account. Keep all that in one place. Easy to organize. A lot of business checking accounts come with other features to help you categorize expenses. Income is really great. So check that out and definitely do. So the second thing you want to do is link your checking account to your accounting software. So anytime you make a transaction in your checking account, it would automatically sync to your accounting software. And since now you have a separate business checking account, all of those transactions will automatically show up in your accounting software. It is a major time saver. And it also helps to make sure you don't really miss anything. And pretty much any accounting software does this now. Wave, the free accounting software that I talk about all the time, that I absolutely love, they do it. It's free. QuickBooks Online, FreshBook. I mean, pretty much they all do that now. And you can integrate or sync more than just checking. You can do your credit card. Some of them let you do PayPal. So it really makes it a lot easier, a lot smoother. And you really don't have to think about it on a day-to-day basis because it's automatically doing it for you. Absolutely great tip. Absolutely a time saver. So the third thing you want to do is scan your receipts. Okay, so the days of having your receipts in a shoebox, those are gone. Don't do that. Even filing them, like having a system of filing the paper, you risk the chance of losing them or misfiling them, or how about those receipts where they just completely disappear? You're like, was there even anything on this piece of paper? So you don't want to do that. So if you scan your receipts, they're all in one place. You can access them easily, and it just makes your life way more convenient. Now, you can get an app on your phone to scan your receipts or your tablet. Just Google or search for scan receipts in your app store. A lot of you take the pictures and it'll store it somewhere for you, or you can put it in a Dropbox or Google Drive, or save it on your phone. You can scan your receipts if you have like a printer scanner and just scan it to your computer, save them somewhere on your computer, or you can also save them on a drive, in the cloud. Or, a lot of your accounting software lets you take pictures and then you can email them and it goes right into your accounting software. Wave does this, again, free feature, and QuickBooks Online, FreshBooks, a lot of them do it. So it's a lot more easy and convenient to scan your receipt and make it a habit, especially if you use it with your phone. Receipt, picture, done, right? It just makes it so much easier and it becomes your day-to-day operation, and it's great. So scan your receipts. Keep yourself organized. Make sure you don't lose receipts. Make sure they don't fade, and make sure you have them all in one place where you can easily access them. And you also want to do your accounting and bookkeeping monthly. Yes, set it in your schedule, plan for it, make it priority, and do it every month. And what happens is people put off bookkeeping, and it becomes bigger and bigger and becomes more and more overwhelming. If you do it monthly, it keeps it small, it keeps it manageable. It doesn't seem like such a daunting task as compared to waiting 6-7 months or even the end of the year. So do it monthly. And if you've implemented the tips that I have just talked about, it flows so much easier. It's easy to do. All of your business checking is done in one spot. It automatically flows to your software. Your receipts are automatically scanned and organized. And then all you have to do is go in there, make sure nothing's missing, make sure everything is categorized correctly, and you're done for the month. It's absolutely great. It's absolutely great. And guess what? When you do that, when it comes time for tax season, it is less stressful. It just flows. Everything is already organized for you to take it to your accountant or your CPA, or for you to do it yourself. And you're not stressed, and you're just moving on, operating your business. You will thank me for this at the end of next year. You will actually thank me for it now once you start implementing it, because you're going to start implementing it today. Please do it as soon as possible. Like I said, go check out my video on free business checking accounts and just take these steps and start today, because the sooner you start, the better it is. It's January. We haven't got too far into the year. This is the perfect time to do it and make your life easier. So that is all I have. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I have new videos every week, so you can get this great information directly to you weekly. How cool is that? Until next time, bye-bye. Be sure to get the Ultimate Business Tax Checklist with over 85 items to help you this tax season. It is absolutely free. Link is up in the cards.